Welcome to Pickaxe. I'm going to show you just a few of the superpowers that Pickaxe will give you in your Google Sheet. I'm going to kick off showing you our first most popular superpower. That is one that lets you search for sales prospects by company with our LinkedIn integration. So for this demo, I'm just going to look for marketing at Coca-Cola. I'll leave the city blank, then hit search, and you'll see that Pickaxe goes away and finds people that matches that and brings them immediately into your sheet. Next up, I want to get in touch with, say, the top 4 people here. Another thing you can use Pickaxe for is finding contact details. So I'm just going to select the top 4 from these results, head down here, click Fetch Emails, and Pickaxe will go away and attempt to fetch the emails for those 4, and you can see adds them very quickly into the sheet. And then you can use that data whatever you want. You can push them to a CRM, and we have some CRM integrations, or you can upload them to your mail service. Next up, I'm going to show you another template. This is the Find Emails template. This allows you just add names and company names and fetch individuals' LinkedIn profiles and fetch email addresses. So this is useful if you already have a set of people in mind and can support larger lists, so bulk email fetches. I'll show you just here for 5 people. Head into the appropriate template, and first off, I'll click the LinkedIn button. You'll see the Pickaxe will go away and add the LinkedIn profiles into the sheet almost immediately. And I'll do the same for emails, and it will go away and fetch email addresses for each of the people that are added on here. Like I say, it saves a lot of time in building lists. And there we go. Next up, I'm going to show you the domain info website stats template that we've built with integration with SimilarWeb. That's under the Find Companies Organization template section, get website stats. And here you can just add in any domain. So I'm going to add in spacex.com, hit search, and we'll draw visit and engagement information in on that domain that you entered. So especially useful if you're looking for competitors, as an example. We have bounce rate, pages per visit, last month visits, time on site on average, and then we get traffic sources and estimated monthly visits. I'll just do Tesla as well while we're here, just to show you how quick this is. And there we go. You can see Tesla's information. Next up, I'm just going to do a quick demo on finding company domains. So in case you have a list of companies and you want to find the domains really quickly for them, this template's super useful for that. You just add your company names in column A, hit search, and we'll go away and get the domains for them. Company names aren't unique, and domains are, so there can be some discrepancies there in case you have a very generic name for a company. But otherwise, a pretty useful tool to be able to go and fetch domains really quickly. Next up, finding YouTube is something. In my old company, I used to have to do a lot of was searching for YouTube channels to collaborate with, and it was a very time-consuming process, having to look through LinkedIn, go on these Wikipedia journeys, try and add YouTube channels to a sheet, and then try and find the contact information. We've built Pickaxe to allow you to enable to find YouTube channels really, really quickly and just create channel lists in your Google Sheet. So I'm just going to have an example here and look for beauty channels. I guess for beauty. Hit search. And what Pickaxe will do is go and find channels that match the keyword or the topic that you've entered. And it was also draw in some of their stats. So the total number of views that channel has, the total number of subscribers, and the number of lifetime videos that they've produced. And it will add them into here really quickly. So you can see all the results for this, and there's hundreds of channels that come back. Final one I'm going to show for the purpose of the demo is finding companies from LinkedIn. Go into the template here. You can search for any industry keyword. So I'm just going to look for productivity, look for a location. So I'm going to add in Seattle, and then company size. I want 51 to 200 employees, and I'm going to hit search. And you'll see companies' names and the LinkedIn pages added really quickly into this sheet. At that point, you can use the names to find people at those companies. So the first template I showed you, you can copy these across, add the companies in here, and search for specific job titles or functions to find prospects at those companies. That's about it for the demo. We're adding more templates all the time, more functionality. So make sure to keep checking in, and we'll hopefully have more for you.